somewhere darker, pretending to be shy. You need a partner, so are you out tonight? It's harder to get you to listen. The more I get through gears, incapable of making the right decisions, having bad ideas. It's 3 in the morning, I've been trying to change your mind. Left you multiple missed calls, and through my message you replied. Why you only call me when you're high? High. Why you only call me when you're high? And I can see you here, wonder where am I? Sort of feels like I'm running out of time, and I can't find what I was looking to find. You said you gotta be up in the morning, gonna have an early night, and you're starting to bore me, baby. Why you only call me when you're high? Hello everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelechords.com, and today we're making Why You Only Call Me When You're High by the Arctic Monkeys. I'll show you how to play it in the original key. If that way is not matching your voice, you can go to ukulelechords.com, you can transpose it. Okay, so first we'll go through the chords, after that we'll see the parts, and after that we'll go through the picking that I'm doing, and then we'll do a play along. So stick to the end of the video to learn the song in no time. Alright, let's see the chords now. Alright, so the first chord we need is the chord of F sharp minor. Then we need the chord of D, but in this song we'll grab it like this, barring on the 2nd fret and with the pinky on the 5th fret of the A string. Because we really need this tone right here, okay? Also we need the chord of B minor, barring on the 2nd fret, ring finger on the 4th fret of the G string. If this is too hard for you, you can just go away with B minor 7, but it will be better if you grab it like this. And also, in the bridge, we have the chord of C sharp, which is the same as the D, but just 1 fret down. Alright, we have one main part, which is F sharp minor to D to 2 times B minor. Alright? If the picking part is too hard for you in the beginning, you can just do the song strumming these chords. It's 3 in the morning, I've been trying to change your mind. Left you multiple missed calls, and through my message you reply. Why you only call me when you're high? Call me when you're high. And pretty much we're repeating this in the intro, in the verse, in the chorus, and after the 2nd chorus we go to the bridge, which is D to B minor to 2 times F sharp minor. Alright? And here the strumming pattern I'm doing is something like down, 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 up on every chord. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. And I can see you here, wonder where am I? You pretty much repeat this thing 3 times. And on the 4th time, you go on C sharp. You said you gotta be up in the morning, gonna have an early night, and you're starting to bore me, baby. Why you only call me when you're high? And on high you go to the D chord. But on the C sharp, you're just doing 1 down strum, okay? See you in the morning, gonna have an early night, and you're starting to bore me, baby. Why you only call me when you're high? And then you go to the outro, which is just the first part of the bridge, and just these 4 chords repeated over and over and over again, and this is how you finish the song. Okay, now let me come a little bit closer to show you how to do this thing in the main part. Okay, so we start with F sharp minor, and I'm plucking the G, C, and E string without the A string. Okay, and after that on the A string we go on the 4th fret, and then go to the D chord. And as a matter of timing, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so F sharp minor 1, here on the 4th fret on the 4th time, 4th fret on 4th time. And then on the 1st of the next bar, we go to D, and then on the 3rd time as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this same pattern we're repeating on the B minor, where we hit all the strings, 1, 2, 3. On the 4, we are again on the 4th fret of the A string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and on 3 we hit the E string open. Okay, so slowly it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so it will be very cool if you can do this while singing. And in the chorus I'm doing the same thing, but I'm just putting a little bit more strums, like this. Alright, so pretty much that's the picking. And that's all you need to know to do the song. Now let's go to the play along. So that was my ukulele tutorial for Why'd You Only Call Me When You're High by the Arctic Monkeys. Hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. And I'll see you really soon. Goodbye.